back to the channel, you guys. Today I have some lanterns, pumpkin lanterns project that I did, and I actually got it from Pinterest, and it took me to Etsy, which means they were selling them for like $30-something. I don't know if each or for the pair, but I was like, I can totally do this. And again, I'm using my fence pickets, you guys. I have lots of fence pickets. I had some from my previous friends, and then I had some from my father-in-law, and I still have some. So the possibilities of doing projects with fence pickets are endless. So this is another project with wood pickets. I really love how they turned out. I'm hoping that you guys like as well. I did not finish the whole thing just because I didn't know what to put on top. As you can see here, they have like some kind of like a little top thing, and then it has a stem, and I didn't want to put something thick like this because then the lanterns were going to be really heavy, and I don't want to go ahead and do that. So I might just put them out as I have them, as you're going to see at the end of the video, or I might just probably add something on the top whenever it's Halloween or not. I don't know, you guys. I did create 6 in total. I created large, medium, and small, and loved how they turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the rest of the video with music. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I would hope to see you guys on my next video. See you then. Bye.